بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصف الثالث الإعدادي. هندرس النهاردة the central angle and measure of arcs. Now we have a circle, it's a center M. دلوقتي احنا عندنا circle والcenter بتاعها M. Okay. If I draw two radii from the center M, like this, if I draw the radius MA and the radius MB, so we have an angle, its vertex is a center M, which you call the central angle. That means the central angle, it's an angle whose center in the circle, whose vertex is the center of the circle. Okay. Actually we have here two central angles. If I locate a point like C, we have two central angle. The central angle AMB, which is an acute angle, and the central angle AMB, which is a reflex angle. We have here two central angle. We have here two central angle AMB and angle AMB. The first one, AMB, it is an acute angle because it's subtended an minor arc. It's subtended a minor arc AB, and in the other side angle AMB, which is a reflex angle, subtended this arc, which is called the major arc ACB. Subtended the major arc, which is called the arc ACB. This is the way to write arcs. We have here two arcs, the minor arc AB and the major arc AB. طيب اوكي، انا عايز افرق ما بينهم. بفرق ما بينهم ازاي؟ بسمي the arc AB the minor arc which subtended the angle AMB، وبسمي الارك التاني ده ACB which subtended angle AMB which is a reflex angle. اوكي طيب دلوقتي انا عندي circle whose center is M. If I draw a diameter AB on it، لو انا رسمت diameter AB جواها، طيب اوكي، I have a straight angle. The straight angle AMB which is measure 180 degree, subtended by the arc AB which is represent the semicircle. Okay, so we can consider angle AMB is a central angle because its center is the vertex of the circle. Its vertex is the center of the circle. اوكي، ملخص الموضوع اللي انا بتكلم فيه دلوقتي ان انا عندي central angle. The central angle its vertex is the center of the circle subtended by arc. الارك ده لو كان هو minor يبقى الانجل اللي عندي يا اما acute يا اما obtuse، لان الارك ساعتها هيكون less than 180، يا اما يكون measure فبالتالي بيديني reflex angle، يا اما subtended by the semicircle which is a straight angle, so that the central angle it will be a straight angle and subtended by the diameter of the circle. Okay, how to find the measure of the central angle? Good questions. ازاي نجيب الميجر of the central angle؟ اوكي طيب if I put here the center of the circle، لو انا حطيت هنا السنتر بتاع السيركل بتاعي، تمام، وبدأت ارسم the first radii، the first radius، رسمت له هنا the first radius، بعدين حطيت الكومباس بتاعي، تمام، وبدأت ان انا اعمل angle. اوكي، if I still go to there، يعني لو فضلت ماشي لحد ما وصلت هنا كده، هنلاحظ ان هنا عند ال end point of the arc، لو انا حطيت end point هنا of the arc، this is the central angle. The measure of the central angle، انا طبعا انا لسه ما خلصتش بقية السيركل. The measure of the central angle equal the measure of the arc، والعكس صحيح. The measure of the arc equal the measure of the central angle. If I draw a right angle here، يعني أنا دلوقتي رسمت right angle هنا، طيب هنلاقي إن الارك ده يا جماعة ليه measure برضو. The measure of the arc، this arc، if I denote it by the arc AB، لو أنا سميت الارك ده AB، the measure of arc AB equal the measure of the central angle. ودي المعلومة اللي احنا بنحل بيها في الدرس. The measure of arc AB equal the measure of the central angle AMB. لاحظ الاسم the arc AB هما نفس ال end point of the central angle والcenter M في النص في الميدل هنا. central angle بتكون في النص هنا في الميدل. اوكي، يبقى measure of arc AB equal measure of angle AMB. تعال نشوف exercise. In this figure we have measure of angle AMD is 30 degree and CMB is right angle. Calculate what? Number one, measure of arc AD. The measure of arc AD equals the measure of the central angle subtended by the arc AD. So measure of arc AD equal measure of angle AMD equal 30 degree. يبقى the arc AD is 30 degree. Okay, what's the measure of arc DC? Okay, we have here AB is a diameter. So measure of angle AMB is 180. We will add and subtract from 180, so we get measure of angle DMC is 60 degree. The measure of angle arc CD equals 60 degree. And the measure of arc BC subtended by a right angle equal 90 degree. And measure of arc AB as 180 degree. The measure of arc AB، this is arc AB اللي هو يعتبر هنا the semicircle، بيكون الميجر بتاعه 180 degree. ماشي، اوكي.